The clock is ticking. Our next mentor, Ms. Gargi Majumdar, has been associated closely with H&H since its inception and has been a great source of support. She also supports H&H Elite Shyam Satyan, who is the founder of Ciceron Travels, which has diversified and adapted to the changing times into virtual tours. Ciceron Travels was a travel agency which now has branched out into virtual tours. In addition, Hi-Fi Network Hub is very proud of the first of its kind workshop conducted under the H&H banner by her and her business partner, Mr. Gautam Rao, who is a qualified engineer and more importantly, a qualified astrologer from the Sanskrit University. While Mr. Gautam Rao taught astrology, Ms. Gargi Majumdar reigned as the mentor for tarot card learning. And together, the students experienced the impact of astrology. Proof beyond doubt about science meeting faith. The choice of a guest of honor could only be someone who was closely associated with the education field. One who is also respected and looked upon to be our H&H Elite mentors. It is with a lot of pride and gratitude that we welcome Dr. Jayant Chowdhury, Chairman of the International United Educationalist Fraternity, a forward-thinking educator, a strategic planner for effective faculty interaction and communication, and a born leader. Today is also his birthday. Hi-Fi Network Hub, on behalf of every single member associated with us and is with us here today, wish you many, many years of good health, happiness, and prayers for you to continue to make a difference across lives. Over to you, Gargi Majumdar.
A very good evening to everyone. Welcome and good evening to all the ST members attending the launch of H&H website through this Zoom meet. I really feel honored to be a part of H&H platform as an elite member since 2018 and associated with the visionary of brilliant personality Rubina Ma and her husband, who is so humble and down to earth, Kashif Bhai. H&H platform has really opened up my fortune of being known among a lot of like-minded souls for whom I was able to provide solutions through my expertise in tarot card reading and spiritual healing. I'm also associated with, as said by Kashif Bhai, travel company of my friend Shyam Satyan Ciceron Travels and Jyotish Vastu Acharya Gautam Narayan Rao, who is a Vedic astrologer and Vastu specialist. Subsequently, under Rubina Ma's guidance, myself, Shyam, and Gautam came up with the Supreme Bliss group under the H&H platform, which focuses on bringing together like-minded people who would like to explore the world of astrology and tarot cards in the connection with spirituality. In the endeavor, we recently came up with a unique course of astrotarology, which has brought science and faith together under one umbrella, explaining beautifully the synchronizing relation that it carries. I am very delighted to express my gratitude and happiness to all the participants that this newly introduced course was well received, accepted, and was a huge success. I take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Jayant Chowdhury, Chairman of International United Educationalist Fraternity, who has his birthday today. And I would again like to wish him a very happy birthday on behalf of our team H&H. To give a short insight into Jayant sir's journey, he has been honored with many accolades for his inimitable contribution in the field of education. Out of these, would like to mention about 8 awards which stand out for his commendable work. 4 awards, each in the year of 2017 and 2018. So in 2018, he received fellowship, first fellowship award from Lucknow, Second, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Samman at Dronacharya Senior Secondary School, Haryana. Third, Global Leader Excellence Award in recognition of his services and value contribution in the field of education by CED. Best Progressive Principal of India Award by again CED. In year 2018, he was awarded first by awarded for leadership qualities by Center of Education Development in New Delhi. He was also awarded as honorary doctorate from Commonwealth of Vocational University, Kingdom of Tonga. Third, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award at Lucknow International School. And finally, honored with the post of chairmanship of International United Educationist Fraternity Association of 10,000 Principals of India and Abroad by Vice Chancellor of Lucknow and Vice Chancellor of Patanjali University. Now, I would like to hand over the stage to Ms. Dr. Jain sir, who would be honoring the first batch of newly introduced astrotarology course with the HNS certificates who has successfully completed the course. Kashif Bhai and Nutan, Rubinama, the certificates.
We would love to hear Dr. Jayant Chaudhary ji speak. Yes, before we display the certificates. A warm welcome to you, sir. Truly an honor to have you with us.
Thank you, Rubina ma'am and Kashi sir. It's a really privilege that today I am here in a very reputed and a renowned platform that has been built and formed by Rubina ma'am and Kashi sir. And though I am part of SNS from past 1.5 years, but I have been a passive supporter and I've been looking into the whatever the things that Rubina ma'am has been doing, and it's a commendation. Today I came to know more about it, and right from the start I've been sitting here patiently. I'm just I'm off from other work just to be in SNS platform, and I would like to congratulate both of you and all the SNS members for launching this website today. It is an excellent website and a vibrant website that you have been developed, and all the best. And also very happy to both of you, Rumina ma'am. And I would like to thankful to Ms. Gargi Majumdar, Mr. Gautam Rao, and Sham Satyam. And just a brief to tell about that not only I have been in school sector for past 25 years, but we have been doing something which is heat of the hour, as Rubina ma'am is doing some social initiatives. I have been also doing social initiative by my team that is in 24 states and some countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, then Dubai, UAE actually, and US and London, England, and also Sri Lanka. So our educators, we have jointly formed an educators group. It is mostly of school principals, directors, chairman. We also have very good members in Bangalore also. I was hearing about Bangalore. So since I'm an educator, and some many things that I have today come to know from Geeta ma'am and Nutan ma'am, as well Gargi ma'am, that is also part of education. I think all the things which have been usually people are doing is a part of education, because without education, I think we cannot develop or something that has been developed today, whatever we are doing today. So there are many things to say, ma'am, and it will be endless, because as Rubina ma'am says that it is centuries busy guys going on to speak. So many things to share, and we will certainly, I will support all the educators who are there who want to develop business in whatever capacity I can do in my association. Whenever Rubina ma'am and their SNS members are always they want to do, I will definitely try to help them in whatever capacity I can do. That's all, and very much delighted that Gargi Mujumdar has been connected to many years. Mr. Gautam Rao, Mr. Sham Satyam, they are also doing wonders, and I would like to support them in their whatever ventures they are doing.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Thank you very much. It is, I myself am not aware of the kind of personalities H&H is blessed with to have on our platform. Having you with us, sir, is genuinely a matter of pride. And we know that you've got a hectic schedule. In fact, it's very difficult to get in touch with you, but the fact that you are here supporting a very, very unique um, uh, subject matter that has been discovered by Gargi ji and Gautam sir, I am so proud, and I know Kashif and I, we mean this very sincerely, that no one could have done more justice to giving the certificates to all the successful participants. I am one of them, so I am super thrilled, not only about your presence, but also the subject matter of the course that was handled. Thank you, sir. I am now going to share my screen and the certificates for the participants of the course. Sharing it now. Oh, my name is first. Sir,
So it's Rubina ma'am, it's really, if it has come first, then I think I'm also honored to give you this, present this astrocarology certificate from HNS, your mentors, elite mentors, and please, and it's all wishes that you go about with this new venture that is astrocarology. And I think that this is a subject which many of our educators and many of my team members also would like to learn from you people.
fantastic.
Congratulations, Rubina.
I am honored to be the first person to take it away. I was convinced that this particular subject matter will make an impact across the world. This was my conviction. It started on H&H. It was with no real intention to have my certificate, the first name as mine, but it is so, and I'm honored, sir, to be getting the certificate from you.
It's a God willing. It's God willing. I'm happy, and it's a God willing, Rubina ma'am. You're doing wonders. I'm really enlightened, and I'm very thrilled that I'm in a platform where I'm able to present this certificate to you, ma'am. Proud.
Going on to the next person.
Is Avinder Kaur for successfully completing the astrocarology. That is
Yes,
on 3rd
joined.
July 2021.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Avinder ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for this. It's really an honor to
Thank
be the word at your hands. Thank
you.
you.
Also met you at all. So really, ma'am, was successful. Congratulations once again.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Gargi, and thanks,
Thank
Gautam,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
The best of
Thank you.
mentors. You know, it's been a fantastic journey here.
Then the next one is Ms. Rajni Pillai for successfully
Ma
completing
Rajni ji is not here. She's not well, actually.
Okay. Convey my wishes to her, please.
Yeah, sure,
Gargi ma'am.
sure. I think Renu ji, I don't know. I have pinged her,
Renu
but
Ramani.
she's here. I don't know.
Renu ma'am, are you there?
No, she's also.
Okay.
No.
No. Then Dr. Veena Reddy. Dr. Veena Reddy, congratulations once again for successfully completing the astrocarology.
No,
That on
she's
3rd July 2021. No, she's not here. Okay. Geeta Krishnan ma'am, I think she's here
yeah,
for successfully completing the astrocarology. Geeta Krishnan ma'am.
Okay. She
Okay.
is not unmuting herself. We will carry on. Sorry, my apologies. This one.
Next one is ma'am Resham K. Manglani for successfully completing the astrocarology on 3rd July 2021.
Resham was
Mr.
also
Naveen Siddiqui.
Yeah.
Resham ji is here, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you so
Okay,
much,
ma'am.
Dr. Jain sir. Thank you, Gargi Pam and Gautam sir. It was a wonderful experience. Never ever thought an astroterology will be such a interesting subject. Never thought it would be easy to learn. The way they explain so easily. And now every time we just go take a help of that whenever we proceed forward. Thank you so much, Gagi ma'am. Wonderful.
Thank
And
you.
Gautam sir, it was a wonderful experience.
Once again, a congratulations, Resham ma'am.
Both the mentors. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rubina ma'am.
Next, Mr. Naveed Siddiqui,
Astrid bhai.
successfully completing the Astro Tarology on 3rd July 2021. Mr. Naveed Siddiqui.
Would you like to speak? Or may I continue?
Mr. Naveed.
Please continue, Rubina ma'am.
You don't want to say anything?
Just thank you to everyone, especially you and Gargima and Gautam sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Going on.
Mr. Sham Satyam was successfully completing Astro Tarology on 3rd July 22. Mr. Sham, a big
Thank
congratulations.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Knowing you, that we met, and it's really an honor to present you with this certificate. Mr.
Really,
Sham,
really, it's an honor to receive it from you as well, sir. Really, thanks a lot.
God bless you, Dr. Sham,
Thank you.
for new
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Fatima Idris for successfully completing Astro Tarology course. Congratulations, Fatima ma'am. Is she there?
Would you like to speak up, Fatima ji?
It would be nice if Fatima ma'am, you can speak a few words.
Dropped out. Yes. Going on to the next one.
Mr. Suhas Narayana Murthy. Congratulations, sir, for successfully completing Astro Tarology.
He's not here either. Thank you
Okay.
very, very much, sir. Thank you indeed.
It was a really pleasure, ma'am, to be honored, and in the platform, we will definitely meet once in physical in Bangalore. उससे पहले, before I finish, one small gesture, थोड़ा सा छोटा सा चीज है जो मैंने कुछ दिन पहले पढ़ा था मैंने आपके लिए और आपके काशिफ जी के लिए। मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। पूछो चिड़िया से कि हौसला कैसे बनता है, वो बोला कि तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। तो तिनके तिनके से रुबीना मैम, you have built this HNS, and congratulations once again, and I really wish you for the future endeavors.
Thank you.
May
Thank
grow,
you so
both
much.
of you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
The stage is completely yours again, while you, Shyamji and Gautam sir, tell us about more of what you all are doing before we get on to telling people about the prizes and having other wonderful voices singing for us. Please go right ahead and speak about what you all have planned for all of us in the near future. Thank you.
Okay, Rubina ma, I'll just hand over the stage to Gautam. Gautam, are you there? Because he will be introducing our courses. He'll be telling our services and courses. Gautam, hi Gautam. So, all yours. Gautam, your voice is not clear.
Not clear?
No.
Now?
Now it is.
Okay. Thank you, Jainji, for your presence and distributing certificates.
Thank you. We have talked over the phone, but seeing you the first time, it's a really honor. Please proceed, sir.
Okay. So there is a saying that Shraddhavan Lavate Jnanam. Wherever the interest is there, zeal is there, they can learn knowledge. Knowledge is one thing which will remove ignorance. So I've been blessed with this today. We meet all of you, sharing the knowledge from all the directions. Thanks to HNH on all enlightened people. It's a combination of knowledge and sharing. practical principles and right journey. So, like I've been part of HNH from past 2 years. So we have been thinking, me and Gargi, we're doing two modalities. So whenever it's not possible to take results from astrology, I used to connect with Gargi. And somehow we felt that it is working to the right direction. Whatever I say and whatever tarot cards are shown. We thought of why not spreading, because whenever we speak, some people will believe in tarot card, and some people will believe in the traditional Vedic methods. So if all the sciences are speaking the truth, why not spread it? That was the thought. And the same thought was put across to Rutinama, and she received it. And with this interest, we started with the astrotarot course. It was a short course, but it was a practical course, and our students are witnessing the truth of either it can be tarot card reading or it can be astrology. Astrology somehow it has made it difficult to understand, because there are some taboos and it is not open. But it is actually not. It is open to all, and it is easy. It's more of common sense. So I've been teaching astrology for many years, 7 years. So in a platform, this is the first time. So I'm happy to teach enlightened students, because they're all either they are doing some healers, they are healers, and they are into light, path of light. So this is an addition, and I got to interact with a lot of people also. Thankful for that. So continuing this journey, so we would like to give whatever we know and whatever we have experienced in that. Sham has been a wonderful associate, and he was introduced as a travel coordinator. So we would like to introduce more on travel with a special purpose, traveling with the spirit. Because traveling will rejuvenate somebody's life. So it's not only traveling, it is with a lot of personal interest also. That is refreshing. It should be like total body, mind, and soul should get refreshed. It can be some religious places, or it can be some historical importance, or it should have culmination of spirit, rituals, and it should that whatever the energy of the places where a person will visit should receive it completely. That is the idea we are coming up. Maybe next month, mid of next month, I will introduce on virtual, because now it's all virtual. So virtually we'll be introducing some interesting places in India, which will have the energies spiritually connected, and also can remove some so-called, can dissolve some of the problems when people, even by thinking, or even by chanting, or even by visiting, or even by remembering, it will be virtually traveling. Finally, it's a feel. So with some rituals and chants, and the journey will be as real as even though it's a virtual, we'll try to make it very realistic. That's the point. And we have been conducting full moon meditation from last month. So even tomorrow, we are planning a full moon meditation. That will, that's bliss. It was a great feedback this month. So it is connected across the HNH. Absolutely. So many people enjoyed it, and they could able to feel the lightness and the real radiance of moon. Because the moon day, we can encash the positivity and the bliss of full moon that we are doing. Apart from that, there are other courses we are planning that will be launched soon. So the unique courses will be astrotarology. So that the second batch will be announced soon. And it is just about any living or non-living piece, object will radiate aura. So just to know aura and connect with aurology. This is the first. And again, numerology is known to many people. So how to connect numbers with tarot? That is one neuro tarology. And there is one more unique course, astral projections. So this will be beyond the body, soul, traveling the astral projections and space travel. The services we are planning is already we are giving 7 chakra spread, tarot zodiac spread, tarot horoscope reading, past birth karma spread, Vedic astrology reading. We deal with remedies also, with practical remedies, and Vastu consultation or video call or in person. So you have to just check. In this stage, we can do a video also. Virtually also we can do Vastu. And aura scanning and 7 chakra spread and aura scanning. So to give in just, so it is just combination of spirit and how we can help each other. That's a saying called yantra, mantra, tantra. So yantra means something physical. So physically also some things will definitely help us. Mantra means chanting of hymns, even that will also affirmations. That will also help. And some rituals like travel or doing some deeds. So everything put together should uplift our energies. That is the goal we are planning. And of course, this astrology is every subject is an ocean. So whatever is learned, even though the ocean is big, a drop of ocean's drop is as similar to sea water, right? This salt. You can feel it. So whatever is thought, whatever is experienced, it should be realistic and it should be practical. That is where we are working at. Hope to see to connect a lot of people across HNH and spread knowledge. Thanks for all your support. Now I'll hand over stage to Shyam. Shyam.
Where is Shyam?
Shyam is very much online, but we are not able to see him. Maybe the electrical issue. Meanwhile, Gargi, would you like to speak until Shyam is able to come back?
Hello. Hello.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. You can see me and hear me?
One moment. You are logged
Hello.
in. Okay. Are you logged in by the name of Satyan Narayan?
Yes. Actually, my laptop is having a problem with the video is not working. So I logged in through my father's.
You are spotlighted and we can see you. We've got 7 more minutes to complete this so that we can get on to our next.
I can finish it before that, no problem.
Great.
First of all, thanks a lot, Rubina ma'am, for providing me to an opportunity to speak on this HNH platform. To introduce myself, I am Shyam Satyan, basically from Kerala, born and brought up in Delhi. And my schooling was in Delhi, graduation from Bangalore University in hotel management, and did my MBA in CRM, Customer Relationship Management, from Symbiosis Pune. So since 2017, I am running my own travel company in the name of Caesaron Travels. And we basically take care of domestic and international tour packages along with other travel solutions. Gargi Majumdar joined me in 2018 as a virtual associate for my travel company operating from Delhi. During her marketing endeavor done for my company, she was fortunate to join the HNH group as an elite member, and myself and Gautam sir followed the suit. So during the current pandemic scenario, when the travel industry has hit the most, I have actually come up with an idea in combination with, Gautam sir, of introducing virtual tours in our Supreme Bliss group. starting mid-August 2021. The nature of the virtual tour, what I'm talking about, is basically in concentrating on destinations which carry spiritual importance. So when I say spiritual importance, it's nothing to do with religion. It's completely deals with the upliftment of our own energy levels and balancing them towards our personal benefits in terms of health and happiness, rejuvenating ourselves in the process. So our main endeavor will be to cover all the major as well as less known spiritual places throughout the Indian subcontinent. We are looking forward to impart extensive and minute level information about these destinations in the form of PPT presentations and some videos to support it, as well as to elaborate on the spiritual significance of each of these places that it embodies. So during our virtual tour, we would also combine certain meditation session for some destinations wherever essential, and which will be actually conducted by Acharya Gautam Rao sir and Gargi Majumdar. Actually, Acharya Gautam sir will be our spiritual coach during this virtual tour. So we will be keeping the virtual tours only on weekends, keeping in mind the comfortability of the people who would like to attend it, and it will be during late afternoon or early evening hours, just for a 1 hour timing. And hopefully by mid of 2022, we will be gradually organizing spiritual tours also for you all to almost all these destinations, for you to experience the serenity and blissfulness of these places in person. Now, the best part is that through these virtual tours, we will make you sure we will make sure that you will be well informed and knowledgeable about these places before you take the tour. So that will be the best part of what we are planning as a virtual tour part. So when you are there in person, you will not be out of place. You will be already having the knowledge and you will be experiencing it more well. So that is one thing. And also, I would like to inform about our own homestay coming up in Kerala, which actually I mentioned in the Mumbai meet, but due to pandemic, we were not able to work on it. And that is in Kerala, in the place called Kodamangalam, where I belong to. It is in a semi-jungle environment, and which we are planning to develop into a wellness center as a vision of Caesar Travels in the future. So to all my HNS team who are present here, I am hoping a positive response and a maximum attendance from your end to support on our novel effort towards holistic living through our Supreme Bliss Group. Thank you very much, ma'am, once again. And thank you very much for the support from Gargi Majumdar and Gautam sir. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Gargi, we have 2 minutes more. Please help us to conclude this session. Thank you.
Nothing much to say, Ma. It's an immense gratitude, Ma, when it comes to HNH and you, I really go speechless, because again, I'll just finish it in one line, that you have shown me the world. Actually, you have introduced me to the world, and HNH is the first, and I would say last only. I'm not on many groups. It is only on HNH, and only 2 or 3 groups other than HNH. But this HNH actually gave me the platform, and it has introduced me to the world. Thank you so much to you and Kashi Bhai. Thank you so much, Ma.